my name is Lila Devi. I am the founder of Spirit in Nature Essences for Perfect Well-Being, formerly called Masters Flower Essences. We are the oldest flower essence line within the United States and globally outside the United Kingdom, established in 1977. Flower essences are herbal infusions that stimulate our positive qualities, such as cheerfulness, unconditional love, and inner peace. Our 20 essences are prepared by a simple method of extracting the life force from the blossoms of various fruit trees and vegetable plants, utilizing the elements of pure spring water, direct sunlight, and the blossoms themselves. It was a world-renowned master teacher from India, Paramhansa Yogananda, who inspired Spirit in Nature Essences by explaining the psycho-spiritual qualities of certain foods. Thus, we now have tomato essence for strength and endurance, and standing up for your beliefs, even in the face of adversity, and strawberry essence for dignity, for being calmly centered, and thus drawing respect from others. These findings are now corroborated by over 3 decades of research, analysis, ongoing case studies, and direct testimonials. Spirit in Nature essences are safe, non-toxic, and have no possibility of overdosing, side effects, or contraindications. Directions are simple: several drops under the tongue several times a day, or applied topically. They are beneficial to adults, children of all ages, pets and animals, and even to other plants. For more information about our essences and related products, including my books available in several languages, the Essential Flower Essence Handbook and Flower Essences for Animals, the textbooks for our home study courses, please visit us online at www.spiritinnature.com with 2 dashes. That's spirit-in-nature.com. We wish for you perfect well-being.